You can't arrest me when they're going to be here in 5 minutes.
You want to watch me? Are you an adult? You want to watch?
Can you please stop?
Want to watch? Last
please
chance.
Stop your power.
Move out of the way.
I'm coming down. My car's back down.
On November 2nd, 2021, a Sarasota County officer responded to 2 vehicles parked illegally on a public roadway, one of them without a valid registration tag. What began as a routine tow call escalated into a misdemeanor arrest that the state would later decline to prosecute.
I need 2 1070s here, signal 91. 65 or 28 for the second one.
Howdy.
How do? I don't know if there's someone in the house or not, but they won't come to the door. So this might get them out. They're both illegally parked and a hazard, so I got the BMW done right now, so you can take that one first. Miss?
Hi.
You have an association with this car?
Yeah, it's my boyfriend's car.
Can you prove ownership?
Yeah, I have a title. The problem was it wasn't running. That's why it's been parked right there. But
Okay,
I
well,
tried to push it into the driveway.
We've been here for a half an hour trying to reach someone. So now they have it, and now he'll
But
have
I'm
to make
here.
a ring.
Is there any way you could just...
You don't own it, he doesn't own it.
Yes, we both own it.
Okay.
It is our car.
Is the title in your name?
It is in his name.
Then that does us no good.
He lives here. Excuse me.
Okay.
Please, can you please make an exception?
I've been here for a half an hour. I banged on your door, got nothing.
I didn't hear it.
Okay, so he
Can
can
you
go
please
show
not-
proof and he can pick it up. You know anyone that owns this car? That's next. You know them?
Yep. That
Okay.
was my boyfriend's
No,
friend. I wasn't
that one's
aware
going
that-
next.
I wasn't aware that you were...
So this one's already done. So.
Could you please make an exception and help me push it into the driveway? So that we don't
No,
have
because
to
you
deal
don't
with
even
that?
own it, miss.
Yes, we do.
No, you said some other person who's not here owns it. And they didn't register it. So they can
We
go
just got it like
to the
other
tow
day.
yard, show proof, and pick it up.
Hello? Jester, they're towing the B7 and they're about to tow Mitch's car, so you guys should get back here. The B7 is still right here, but the police officer is not letting me take possession of our car.
Why?
I don't know. Why aren't you letting me put this car into my driveway?
Because you don't own it, miss.
He owns it and he lives here.
Okay, well, if he were here,
We
maybe.
both own it. We both
If
paid
someone
for
else
it.
were here, maybe I'd talk to them.
Can you hear that?
Okay, so I have to come talk to him. Or do you go straight?
I guess so. They're taking the B7 right now. Like it's loaded up on the thing. He won't let me push it into our driveway.
He just coming with the other record for this one.
Get this going. Get it out of here.
He's saying, go ahead.
Go.
Want me to go?
Go.
I'm fine.
Can I please have your business card?
Sure, but I need you to move out of the way.
Nope, not moving.
If you don't move, I'll arrest you, miss.
He's saying he's gonna arrest me if I don't move. They're going to be here in 5 minutes.
Move or you'll be arrested,
The tow
miss.
company can wait 5 minutes.
You're not the owner. I'm going to count to 3,
They're
miss.
going to be here in 5 minutes.
You're going to be arrested if you don't move.
They said, let me talk to my boyfriend real quick.
Move away or you'll be arrested.
You can't arrest me when they're going to be here in 5
You want to watch
minutes.
me? Are you an adult? You want to watch?
Can you please stop?
Want to watch?
Listen.
No,
Can you
no,
please-
I don't listen to you, miss.
Please stop your power
Last chance.
trip.
Last
Please
chance.
stop your
You
power
gonna move out of the way?
Please.
It's not your car. You're in the way.
Can you please listen to me?
No, you need to listen. Are you going to move or
Okay.
not?
I will move.
Turn around. Place your hands behind your back.
Stay there. Just stay there.
No, they're gonna. He's saying he's gonna arrest me.
Turn around. Place your hands behind your back.
We're gonna sue the shit out of him. It's fine.
Okay. Are you going to move or not? Are you refusing to move, miss? You're going to be arrested.
Can you please?
Turn around and place your hands
Can
behind
you
your back if
please-
you're not going to move.
Can you please?
Turn
have
around
some
and place your
reason?
hands behind your back if you're not going to move.
Listen, dude. Can you please?
Not dude.
Can you please just?
Turn around and place your hands behind your back or move.
The owner of this car
Okay, no.
is going to be here in like
Third
2
time.
minutes.
Third time. Turn around and place your hands behind your back or you're going to be arrested. Yes or no?
You can't arrest me.
Yes, I
for
can. Turn
this.
around.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you don't have probable
Go
cause.
on to start.
You do not have probable cause. We're going
I'm trying
to
not
sue the
to.
shit
I'm
out
trying
of
not to, but I can.
you.
Obstruction is the probable cause. All right, now we go. Now you're under arrest.
The officer cited obstruction as probable cause under Florida Statute Section 843.02, which prohibits resisting an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty. The operative word is lawful. Florida courts are consistent if the underlying order lacks legal foundation, the charge cannot stand. The tow was legally authorized under Florida Statute Section 316-1945, which permits removal of vehicles constituting a traffic hazard. That authority is not contested. What is contested is whether a verbal order to step away from the tow truck with no statute cited aloud qualifies as lawful execution of duty under Section 843. Florida appellate courts have addressed this directly. An officer issuing an order does not automatically enter lawful execution of duty. The order itself must be legally grounded. The officer in this footage never specified which law the subject was violating by remaining near the tow truck. That single omission is what made this case unprosecutable.
Traffic 12. No, probably have a white female 1015. Have a seat, watch your head.
10-4.
Why the are my cars being towed? I'm not climbing down. Put my cars back down. I'm not doing this. We've had zero warning, zero anything. You're arresting my girlfriend for parked car. What the is going on?
I just got here.
Okay, so explain.
Less for it. Started out you pulling up like this and being hot.
I was
over
doing
a
the
car.
speed limit. I'm not doing anything illegal. Not doing anything hotter than you guys are doing right now.
I just got here.
So
what's going on your side?
I show up to all my cars being towed away
Okay.
and someone being arrested.
Are they in the roadway?
No, they were parked here.
Sir, can you help me understand what's going on here?
Well, now that if this is your vehicle,
Yes.
and you can prove ownership, now you'll have to pay the release fee.
No, why? I didn't do anything. Why is it getting towed?
It's illegally parked at a roadway hazard.
I just got here too, sir.
Okay, so
But-
what the is going on?
Sir, I just got here. I was talking
Who
with
do I
my
need to
officer.
talk to then?
Well, don't walk up on him like that.
No, you
Hey,
won't.
hey, hey,
Yes, I will.
hey.
What the is going on?
Wait.
You want to tow all my shit? Explain what's going on.
I see
Well,
this
now
all
you
the
can go
time.
to the tow lot and make arrangements to pick up
You
your
guys are
car.
messing with the wrong people. You were going to be sued. I probably make more than you make in a 30
I
year
have
Step
no-
back to me.
I have no idea what this is.
You want to take possession of your friend's property? It's up there on the car.
No, I want to take possession of my shit.
You don't
that
want
was
to take
parked in my
possession of
front
it?
yard. What's illegal about being parked in the fire? Explain
You're
that
not going
law
to take possession of that?
Explain the law to me.
You're
What
not
is
going to take
illegal?
possession of that property, then we'll have to put it in ours.
I just
What's
got here,
illegal
sir.
about it being parked right there?
No one can answer any questions. You're just taking my shit. with
Sir,
no
I just got
explanation.
here to search someone. So I don't know if I don't know what's going on.
So probably bringing her out now with him
No, I'm not gonna regret it right now.
That'll just aggravate.
Yeah.
So I want to try to find out what she wants to do with the property.
Am I being ignored?
And
I'm getting straight ignored.
you can either get her to agree to take it.
No one's answering any
You're gonna take
questions.
what car?
Okay, what do you guys want to do here? You done
I
bullying
am
us?
talking with my partner, figuring what's
Okay,
going
you're
on
parked in
now.
my front yard, so what do you want to do?
Not in your front yard. We're in the street. You just took my car for no reason.
This is not helping you guys.
I don't, just shut the f up, please. Just, what are we doing here? You
Stop
guys,
asking questions.
you guys done then? Can you get the f out of here?
No.
We're on the public roadway, man.
Okay, just shut
So
up.
was my car.
Oh, let's tow this shit. Is it, oh, it's registered.
No one has
What do
any
you mean,
Where's
logical
my
answer.
girlfriend now? Is
I'm going
she
to go around the other
arrested?
side and ask her what she
Why
wants
you
to do.
just pulling my shit? I'm being ignored. Venice Police
Hey,
Department.
don't worry. We're going to sue the f out of that.
So what property here is yours? The house is yours? Are the vehicles yours too?
Sir, I'm trying to be reasonable with you.
Okay. I've already answered your question. If you're the owner of that car, you can go pick it up at Talon Towing, which is off Pan American. I'll give you the phone number for it if you want.
Give me the phone number.
You can go with proof of ownership and pick your vehicle up.
How am I supposed to go there without my vehicle?
Your phone and eyeglasses. Do you want to come with you or do you want to go with... Is this Justin? Chester? I guess she wants you to have her phone and whatever's on the top there.
Couldn't even wait 2 minutes for me to come back. I get back and then I get ignored. You guys are sure the community's extra safe now, right?
Can you give the title to Chester as well?
Yeah, you want to step out real quick?
Title's in the waistband of my leggings. Oh, I guess it's not. I thought it was.
This is for the...
I was holding the title, so is it on the street or something?
I gotta check real quick. It might be under the car. Are you wearing a bra?
Yeah.
Do you have anything that's gonna hit in the bra?
No.
Money, change, needles, nothing like that?
No.
Just gonna stick or poke me?
No.
Okay, I have to check. I'm sorry. Put your feet apart.
After the arrest, the registered owner stepped out to retrieve title documents, and the officer immediately conducted a pat-down. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 United States 1, 1968, a protective frisk requires reasonable articulable suspicion that the specific individual is armed and dangerous. That suspicion must be individualized. It cannot transfer from a third-party arrest. The owner's compliance does not settle the constitutional question. In Florida v. Bostick 501, United States 429, 1991, the Supreme Court held that consent under police authority requires a showing the person knew they could refuse. No such advisement was given. The frisk lacked the individualized basis the Fourth Amendment requires.
Not my first rodeo. I'd be jealous too if I made my yearly salary in your life income.
And you're just gonna ignore me, huh?
You made a statement. Do you have a question?
I have a million questions. You guys won't answer them. You answer them with the vaguest, dumbest, like, I don't know what's going on, and that's because you guys won't explain it to me. I'm trying to be reasonable.
The car was towed. We were called here.
Oh,
For a reason.
What's the
There we
reason?
go. Oh,
I wasn't dispatched. I came as a backup officer.
Back up for what? To
backup
tow extra
officer
cars?
Don't want a car parked on the street.
Because my partner made an arrest, I'm a backup officer. That's why I'm here.
You just got here, so you don't know.
Please step back.
I'm
Thank you.
respectful.
Oh,
Thank you.
Dude, you don't have to do shit. You don't have to step back for shit.
Well, they shoot, so.
I shoot too.
I really wasn't doing, all I was doing was asking this officer to wait 2 more minutes for him to show up, and then he's just slamming against the car. And said, you're under arrest.
The female subject was charged with 1 misdemeanor count of resisting without violence under Section 843.02. After several months on the court's docket, the state declined to prosecute. No civil lawsuit was filed. No officer discipline was reported. The non-prosecution reflects a deficient lawfulness element, not an absence of conduct. The arresting officer receives a C+. Multiple warnings were issued before arrest, and no excessive force was applied. Those are genuine positives. The disqualifying failure is the absence of a stated statutory basis for the move order. A duty that goes unnamed on camera is a duty that cannot be enforced in court. The female subject receives a B. Standing in the path of an active tow truck is not passive observation, which Glick v. Cuniff protects as a First Amendment right. She crossed from vocal objection into physical interference. Her nonviolent compliance and the state's non-prosecution confirm she operated at the outermost edge of what Section 843 can reach. The registered owner receives an A-. He established legal ownership, cooperated with the pat-down, and pursued vehicle recovery through the tow yard as directed. The deduction is for profanity toward the backup officer. It is constitutionally protected speech under City of Houston v. Hill, 482, United States 451, but tactically counterproductive when officer cooperation was still needed. The backup officer receives a C. He arrived mid-incident without situational awareness and immediately adopted a combative posture toward a property owner raising legally valid questions. Directing that owner to, quote, shut up falls below minimum professional communication standards. The conduct was not unlawful, but it escalated tension without serving any investigative or safety purpose. 3 lessons. First, name the statute when issuing a compliance order. You are obstructing a lawful tow under Florida statute. 316-1945 is defensible. Move or be arrested is not. Second, a Terry frisk after a third-party arrest requires its own independent articulable basis. Proximity is not suspicion. Third backup officers must gather situational facts before asserting authority. Posture without information is a liability. Let us know if there is an interaction or a legal topic that you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching.
Can you see that shot? obviously I'm taking.
I
can take that to
I'm
court.
just
I know,
I'm just
I'm
getting
sure
here.
You can't do anything about
I don't
it,
know
but
what
I'm
went on. I'm just getting here. I was asking him for a search.
I mean, you can look at his body cam footage and
Yeah.
show exactly.
We all have the body cam.
Serve and protect by stealing my car.
So what's us running to come post bail for her, or what? Is she
She-
being
she's
thrown into
being,
jail for?
I don't know what's going on. I don't know what the charges are. I just came here for a female search.
Okay.
She's been taken to the Sarasota County Jail
Do you know how far the bar is?
for Talon. It's on Pan Am. Are you familiar with Northport?
I'm like pretty new to this area.
Talon Towing, Talon.
10 miles from here.
Yeah, it's not far.
Just shut the f up. We're not talking to you.
And I'm not
Talon
trying to have
Towing.
attitude. Talon Towing.
Not trying to have an attitude as you take all
It's
my
okay.
shit. Yeah, it's great.
You want to Google it real quick when I'm here? I can tell you if it's the right one or not.
And they're closed.
I'll tell you.
I gotta find my eyeglasses. So.
Drop them?
I may have when she was twisting around.
I don't see them down here. They would have been right on top of the grass, and if they got buried. Or...
Off the property. Off the property. Yes, where do you think he's standing?
Nope. I'm about there. I'm good. Are those her glasses or mine?
They were on the car. They're mine now.
Well, they look a lot like mine.
They were on the car.
So now we're good.
I'm not doing it.
Why are you running?
Hey,
You're
get
not
off
doing
my
anything
property.
wrong.
Off my property.
Can we just
I
check
think
to
he
make
has
sure-
my eyeglasses,
No,
and you just
gave
threw
me
them in
those
there.
glasses. You gave them to me.
They were sitting.
Off my property.
They
Off
were
my
sitting
property.
on the
Yes,
car.
on my car, and you told me to get them.
Are those
on my car.
are those my officer's glasses or not? Do you want to be charged with theft, Chester?
Okay, fine. You want your glasses?
Yeah, after you threw them, if they're damaged, you're going to get charged with criminal
They
mischief.
already scratched their up. Calm down. Where did they even go?
You threw them in here somewhere.
You want a flashlight?
No. They're brand new. Good to go.
Officer Nick,
Are those yours or hers?
yours?
Those are mine.
Thank you. Are they damaged at all?
No, it doesn't appear that way.